Hamburg, one of the important cities of Germany, was founded in 808 in a swamp between the Elbe and Ulster rivers. There are many rivers and two large lakes in the city. The most distinctive feature of the city of Hamburg is that it is a port city. The Port of Hamburg was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2015. Hamburg was born from the swamp in 808 and is now one of the most modern cities in the world. As the Festival VAR team, we came to attend a festival in Hamburg, Germany. We will visit a city, then we will attend the festival. Let's see what we will encounter at the festival. We will all meet together. Now we are going to visit the festival and the city. The first church we visited is the St. Nicholas Church. The tower of the church is truly a magnificent structure. It is the tallest church tower in the world with 147 meters. The city was bombed during the air raids in Hamburg during World War II, but the tower of the church was not damaged because enemy pilots used this tall tower as a reference point, and it caused Hamburg to be bombed more easily. This bombing in July 1943 destroyed Hamburg. In 2005, a panoramic glass elevator was built in the tower of the Nikolai ruins. Surrounded by glass on three sides, this elevator takes the audience to a height of approximately 76 meters. We went up to the observation tower using this elevator. You encounter a magnificent view of Hamburg. In this observation tower, you can watch the city of Hamburg today and also see and compare the ruins of Hamburg after the bombing in the photo exhibition in the tower. One of the city's most notable buildings is the Hamburg City Hall, which is the symbol of the city and was destroyed by fire in 1842. Today, Hamburg's parliament is used not only for parliaments, but also for concerts and exhibitions. Unfortunately, entering the building is a private service, so we only visit the upper part of the building where the exhibitions are held. The buildings in this square take us to another world, really fascinating. The fountain located in the courtyard surrounded by buildings is truly beautiful. Tourists do not leave here without taking photos. We arrived at the festival area where we will attend. There are many events in the festival area. Our festival is a music festival, but since they do not allow us to shoot music concerts, we will try to convey the events in the festival area to you. They turned this school bus into a concert venue. There's a platform in which they set up instruments and make a sound and music system. In addition to the middle-aged group trying to spend time before the concerts in the festival area, there are also young people doing warm-up exercises before the concert. In addition to many entertainment points in the festival area, there are also social responsibility projects. One of these is a stand where the paintings made by homeless people living on the streets are introduced and sold to generate income for them. We tasted the famous German sausages and German cakes in Germany. We like them. Incredibly delicious. Hamburg young people waiting for the concerts are enjoying the sun and conversation. This festival has been a good opportunity for street musicians who want to show themselves. Watching the street dancers is really good. It's amazing. Let me show you what they do on the street. Hamburg's famous canal. We have liked to join the boat tour. The boat tour takes approximately 2 hours. There is a captain and a food and beverage service person on the boat, and the captain explains the area. It's a tourist tour. Even though the information about the boat we were on was given in German language, this situation confuses. Tourist groups from all over the world sip their drinks on the boat and watch the city and its canals. You can experience the beauties of Hamburg on the tour by passing under green trees and different bridges. Magnificent buildings. In the center of many churches and lakes. The fountain adds pleasure to your view throughout the tour. People canoeing on the river, rowing sports and groups taking tours by boat attract our attention. Hamburg residents combine the stressful city life with their friends. They prefer this area to leave behind for a moment and rest under the shade of the trees. It is also possible to see the most expensive houses of Hamburg on this tour. Our boat tour has ended. We thank our captain for this beautiful canal tour and the information he gave. This beautiful city with its parks, natural beauty and red brick buildings. It's time to say goodbye to the city. There is a festival. As a team, we are in Hamburg, the port city of Germany, and we attended a festival. What did we do at the festival? We visited historical places. On a boat tour we joined. We had amazing canal cruises. Then we attended the festival, a very beautiful city, a city everyone should see. Yes. See you at the next festival.